Hello, sports fans. We're going to talk about making a composite window, which is also called a Norman window. Semicircle on top of a rectangle. Don't spend 8 years making your picture. If you want to, get something to make a picture so that you can spend more time solving the equation. There's a rectangle, which means the radius of my circle is half y. Okay, so the problem says we have 20 feet for material. So the outside is 20. And we want the maximum area. And there is a specific answer. It does not include any building code, so we're just rolling with it. The architect wants the perimeter of the window to be 20. What dimension should the bottom window be? Because the bottom window, whatever those dimensions are, is going to affect the top window. Okay, so let's talk about perimeter first because that's the quantity that is fixed. So 20. And the perimeter would be x plus y. So 2x plus y. You don't need this part right here. Okay, and then we have a half of a circle. Well, the circle is pi times diameter. The diameter is y. So we have half of that. So a half pi y. It's hurtful when you make fun of me with my headset. Okay? Okay, so you have 2 y's and 1 x. My suggestion would be to make your life easier, you solve this equation for x and not for y. You can solve it for y as well, but things get a little bit complicated. So we will be solving this for x so that we can get rid of x's and put it in terms of y. Or do you want to solve for y? I don't care. The other equation we're going to have, what dimensions should the bottom window be to get the largest area? So our second equation is area equals xy. That's the rectangle. Plus half of the circle. So half of pi r squared. Again, I think it makes it easier to solve for x if you only have to substitute that nasty thing in one time. It is going to be nasty. Okay? So we don't want to take the derivative yet for the area. We want to solve for x. So let's go over here, solve for x. So 20 minus y, you move the y over, minus, I'm going to make that pi over 2y, equals 2x. And then divide by 2. So x equals 10 minus a half y minus pi over 4y. This is not going to be a pretty situation when we substitute this back in. And I will finish this and put it on Classroom for you.